just reached Durango mountain trek. This is about 6 point something kilometers, about 3 hours hike. It's a rainforest trek. Okay, so but the problem is it's getting dark soon, so probably tonight we'll be coming out in the middle of the night. So yeah, it's gonna be dark, so we brought our torchlights. Okay. Oh, shit. Whew. Yeah, it's pitch dark now. We still got about 2 kilometers away. Okay, we finally completed the Wonga walk circuit. This is a 6.6 kilometer, 3 hour walk. This is our first night walk. Wonderful, we completed it. Cheers.